Hey besties, November is fast approaching. So with that being said, I am going to be doing a budget overview for the month of November. And if that is something that you're here for, then go ahead and stay tuned. So let's go ahead and jump into it. The way that I do my overviews is a little bit different, and I'm gonna be explaining everything as I do it. Wow, I just cannot believe that we are in November already. Like, the years are flying by tremendously. So normally what I do is I do an overview for the month. I look and see when I'm gonna be paid. I also look and take account of the bills that I have, and I don't necessarily add everything up, but I just want to have an overview of what the month is going to look like. And that pretty much works best for me because I am a paycheck to paycheck budgeter. Sometimes doing a full budget can be overwhelming for me, like a full month's budget. So that's the reason why I like to break it up in the way that I do. But I do want to like set goals for myself. I want to see kind of like where I am trending toward the month as far as like bills, expenses, or anything like that. So I have found this to be actually the best way for me. I've been doing it this way for, quite some time, and so I think that I will continue to do that. So I do decorate my calendar. I got these sheets from the Happy Planner, if you are wondering. So I am going to go ahead and I am going to start decorating the calendar. But I'm looking at my stickers to see which stickers I want to use. These stickers are from Isis Ella Jewels. So if you are interested in them, I will leave them her shop linked down below. But with that being said, I'm gonna use this one for December. I know that because it's red. But I'm just looking to see which stickers I want to use for this month. It is the month of November, and I really need some more stickers. I really do. But I want to I like Peace, but then I also like Leslie because this is, or Simone, sorry. I said Peace, that's this Peace sticker. Yeah, I need some Peace this month. So I think that I'm going to use my Leslie sticker. She's so cute. And I'm gonna start off with this sticker right here. I always love to start off with a doll. I just think all the dolls are just so pretty. So I'm gonna start off with that. And then next, what I'm going to do is I'm just gonna write down all of the bills that I have in the month of November. I'm gonna do that while I play a little bit of music, and I will be right back. So I have listed here all of the bills that I have in the month of November, and I've also put the amount due. Now, a lot of these bills have already been paid because from my last budget, I did budget for a lot of the bills from half of November. So water bill's been paid, electric's been paid, all of these bills have been paid, and the next bill due will be life insurance and shoes. Gym, like, these are auto pay, so I guess I can pay them early. Well, I'd rather not pay them early, okay? They are on auto pay. Now, the next thing that I'm going to do, anything that I have planned for the month, I like to put those items down as well. And I'm going to have my nieces and nephews on the first weekend of November. We always call it Auntie Weekend. So I'm going to have them. And then on the 9th, I have a leadership conference. And then I also have another meeting on the 16th. And then Thanksgiving, it's on the 28th. Thanksgiving is on the 28th. And let's see, I don't have anything else planned as of right now for November. And any birthdays. My mom's birthday is on November the 11th. And then my uncle's birthday is on the 28th, actually on Thanksgiving. I don't think I'm missing anybody else's birthday. If not, I'll add it in later. Oh. Now, next up will be for me to put where my paydays are. So I thought, y'all, I was gonna get a little bit of a check today, but I did not. I didn't get anything. And I did go ahead and take a look in the system, and it looks like I'll be getting paid starting on the 8th. So I'm thinking it's gonna be like on the 8th and the 22nd. So I'm just gonna put these paydays here. Of course, they may change because I don't know. But I'm gonna put it here. Where did those payday stickers go? I need some better looking payday stickers. I'm gonna just use these right here. Little circles. So supposedly payday will be here and on the 22nd. Now for like YouTube or whatever, that payday is on the 20th. So I'm gonna put a payday sticker there, but I'm gonna put it in green, or the 21st rather. I'm gonna put it in green. And then also I like to pay myself around the 25th from like any products that I sell. So I'm gonna put that in green too. This is like side hustle money here. All right, so I've listed all of my paydays. I've listed all of my bills. I've listed any birthdays and then any activities that I have for the month. My spread is not all that cute. I need to make it a little bit more fancy. It's looking very not fancy. Let me try to make it look a little bit better, because this is not cute. I don't know. I'm trying, y'all. I think I'm gonna use this sticker right here. Have the audacity to love yourself enough to set boundaries for your journey. I'll put this right here. I'm definitely gonna be setting boundaries. I am on a glow up journey, you guys, because listen, Y'all already know what it is. Y'all already know what it is. All right, so this is all I'm gonna put for right here, for right now. I wish I had some stickers that I can put the actual days on. I know I will next month, and if I would have used the black and white, I would have done that one, but it's okay. Live in the present. Yeah, anyway, that's it. So now here on this page right here, I am going to be setting my November. So give me a moment while I get that done. All right, so I have not given myself too many goals for November because my main goal is to look for a job. I'm gonna have no spend November, and I'm definitely gonna work my side hustle, and then I'm gonna save towards 1 month ahead. That's the only thing I'm going to be doing in November. Those are my main concerns right now. So I didn't want to fill this up with too many goals. I want to drink my water. I have been working out, super excited about that. I've been feeling a lot better. I wasn't working out and it was a mess. I want to continue to walk and then job hunt. Those are my goals for not September. Those are my goals for the month of November. These are the top priorities here: job hunt, pay bills, and save. And that is pretty much it. Usually I will complete this page here, but really it's just the same thing as this right here, so I'm actually not gonna complete it. But that is pretty much it. I am going to be setting up my no spend in a different video because I feel like I need to really explain the rules around my no spend for November, because we know we have Thanksgiving coming up. A lot of the deals and sales and things are going to be happening for the holidays. I do plan on spending money for the holidays, very minimal, but I do plan on spending. So I want to be able to give clear, I guess you could say, clear goals around my no spend. And then of course, if you want to hop on too, I always welcome you to do a no spend with me. But yeah, this is pretty much it. I'm super excited about November. Kind of. This is like I'm getting a little stressed here. I got to get some things in order. But yeah, looking for a job and praying that God continues to provide. Yeah, so anywho, that is pretty much it for today's video. If you have any questions, please leave them down below. And just remember, guys, we are in the midst of a daily dose of budget treasures. So I will be uploading another video tomorrow. So make sure that you guys are tuned in. And I will see you besties in the next video. Go be great. Peace out.
You special and she reckless. Remember, you're my bestest friend. Yeah, she my bestie. My love for you is endless. Nobody else can end it. And when I get the money back, then baby girl, you can spend it. And everything is alright. I like